What's up, YouTube? Rim type that I'm going to be getting will be SR04. Old new. Like you said last. Today we're going to be installing the subwoofer behind my seat and also the 2 rear speakers for the back. Got here, this is the Magic Drift polyurethane and what part of it. Looking nice. I've already put some handprints in it. A whole lot different. Well, I wouldn't say a whole lot different, but at least you won't be able to see anything in my trunk anymore. Alright, I'm finna go ahead and drop off the keys, guys.
To a start pattern, but I did, and I used the impact gun because the wrench was not working. So much likely you'll need an impact gun to get these bolts off.
obviously that's the new one. And obviously that is the old one. We're gonna go ahead. All G's actually have the cruise control buttons and volume. Just a nice even scuff. Gonna get a second coat. Already on my Instagram, we have went and picked up some carbon fiber fenders that have a 10mm extension for the wheel well. That's it. Alright, we'll go ahead and pin on the screws again. Oh, hold on now. Oh. So this is how I am pretty much in the car. No moving at all. The OEM fitment. Of course it's not painted yet, so today how it looks. Unpainted. Record for this car. Greatness, but it is what it is. Alright, hey, it's me back again. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was me of struggling 4 to 5 long years of building a Z. Hope you guys enjoyed the car. Hope you guys enjoyed everything that I pulled out in these last couple of years, and trust me, there is some more content that's going to be coming out. Don't worry, it's going to be something new, it's going to be something refreshing. I think you guys are going to be really excited for it, because let's just say one thing went to another, got really spicy, really steamy, and
some things happen to the Z.
but you're only going to be able to find out on the next episode. I don't know why I said next episode. Hope to see you guys soon. Hope to see you guys there. I'm really pumped and I'm really excited, and it's sad at the same time, but I'm sure you guys will love it. Hope to see you again. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.